guys. What you guys needed is finally here. Put your faces in front of you. All you gotta do is like, share, subscribe, and keep the energy fucking going, man. Because at the end of the day, all we gotta give out is love, all that vibe. So back to business. What I'll be talking about today is business. Business, yeah. So the week started and all those trades are analyzed during the week. Right now we're about to see the after effects. So how many trades did I analyze during the weekend? So I analyzed 2 trades, that's 2 pairs. And those were gold, which is XAU USD, and GBP odd. So those 2 trades are what we're about to see right now at your faces. Just stay tuned while I dive right in.
This is point C, which looks like price was about to go up, but what happened at the end of the day? What happened at the end of the day was that price finally it hard to break, but finally broke with the Mariposa candle. That's a dominant big ass candle. And yeah, after the breakout, what do we see here? So we can put our vertical lines to really, to lay emphasis on what we saw at that point. So there the vertical lines are. So right now we'll be sliding to the 15 minutes. What I tell, okay, before the 15 minute slide, what I tell my students is this. I tell them that you have to locate the minor resistances on the history and also the minor and the major. So this is the major down here and this is the minor up here, where we put this our vertical line. Let's see how it goes. Okay, whatever happens in the zone is for the zone. So right now we see like a 15 minutes partial uptrend that looks like a flag, a bearish flag. So what we'll be waiting for, we don't want to step into any fake out. So what we'll be waiting for is this. This is what we're waiting for right now. We want price to break below, come back up here, give us a sweet retest, then drop all the way down. Then from this point, you feel me? So from this point, it still gotta break, find it like a bit harder, but still break down. Now where is it breaking down to? It's breaking down to this resistance down here. So that's how this market gonna go, and that's just it, right?
All right, guys, welcome back. So right now what we have here is the GBP odd. So see down here we have GBP AUD. So this is the sell we're confirming right now. And guess what happened? Yeah, exactly what I said. You see that? This was the predictions. If you check my former video, and exactly what I said was what happened. And price eventually made it down here. Definitely when it hits that major resistance zone, it's going to quench back up. You want to know how resistance lines, major resistance lines work? All you got to do is go to the description and go and see my number there and hit me up. We're going to vibe. So right now, you can see that the trade came to pass. So the next trade I analyzed was gold, right? Yeah, it was gold. So this is what we have on gold right here. I actually analyzed the sell. I said that gold was gonna drop, but guess what? It went up. It hit my stop loss. So this was how the trade was initially before the stop loss activation. So I entered from this point. And my stop loss was somewhere. My TP was somewhere here. So you can see that. If I was losing, I'll be losing how many pips right here? I'll be losing 1,000 pips on the gold if I was losing. because I entered from 1787 and the price right. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. 1787 and the price at where he hit my stop loss is 1797. So $1,797. So you can see that he hit my stop loss, and right there you see the stops 10.55. So I'll be losing $1,000 and 51 cents. So yeah, guys. Oh, see right there, just right beside $1,051. So that's what I would have been losing right now on this trade. That's what I lost on the trade actually. So, but the GBP odd, that's with the standard lot size of 1. But the GBP odd that came to pass, that did as that was active, that everything happened. So this was the confirmation point, and what happened? It did exactly what I wanted. It showed the pattern. So you want to know my strategy on how I know these patterns? All you gotta do is slide in my DM, baby. Slide in my DM, baby. We going vibe. I'm sorry, guys. Let me redo this analysis to really get bigger picture. So how this whole stuff happened was this. So I took the sell from this point right here. That's where I took the sell. So this was my target. As you can see, the lines up there. And this was my stop loss, baby. This was my stop. Oh, damn. I keep shifting this stuff. So I entered around here, and I got my stop somewhere. Yeah, here, baby. So get what happened. Everything happened. It went down to hit my stop loss because my trade don't expire until it hits either stop loss or take profit. So that's how this happened over here. And yeah, so on this trade I gained 11,000. Sorry, I gained $1,166. And if I lost the trade, I'll be losing $300 with a standard loss size of 1. So why back on the gold trade, I would have been losing. I lost $1,051. And if I would have gained, like $3,000. You can see that. So you see the risk management. Risk to reward. I was risking 1 to gain 2.2 points. I was risking 1% of my account to gain 2.39% of my account. So you see, that's a very nice one out there. So all you need to know about Forex right now is risk management. So I used the same lot size, uniform lot size on a big account, an account of over $20,000. So I risked I lost $1,051 on gold, and I gained $1,166 on what's the name? So let's do the math, guys. So I gained $1,166 minus what I lost, $1,051. So I had a profit of over $115 made in a day. So yeah, in as much as I lost gold, that's a very high good trade, I still gained, bro. So that's the effectiveness of risk management. Analyze 3 solid pairs that have a very good ass risk to reward, a minimum of 2. 1:2. A minimum of 1:2. With that, you'll be a pro at risk management. Stay blessed, stay tuned. Let's go back to the video. Yeah, guys. Let's quickly run this. So in as much as we lost gold, now this is how you don't make your emotions straight for you. Now you enter gold as a fresh body, like you're just renewing you're just starting the trade again. So reanalyze it like a fresh body. without the idea that you lost it in the past. So reanalyze it. So I put my zones, and if you check your chart patterns picture, you notice that this is a double top right here. So all you have to do, you don't have to be going ICL, ICU, ICT, and other strategies. Just use the traditional normal patterns. So if you check the patterns book, look at down here, look right here, we have this kind of pattern right here. So you don't need to go too far to find the pattern. So this is the pattern we have right here. Just stay tuned while I show you the pattern. So here, this is what we have right here. We have this kind of pattern, a W pattern, right? A W pattern. Are you guys seeing it? So what do you call that on the patterns book? We call that a double bottom. So yeah, it's called a double bottom, guys. All you gotta do is understand these patterns. If you can follow these patterns word for word, so we can see the double bottom over here. And exactly how did it play out? It played out as price is going to break above and retest the neckline of the double bottom. That's the sharp angle of the W pattern. So right now, instead of now, we have to take the sniper, because we'll be buying this market all the way above to $1,900, $1,900. So how do we do that for the sniper entry? So we dive down to the 4 hours chart, and we see that it's already broken out. Yeah, it's already broken out. Now what's the next thing we do? We now that it's broken out, it has gone back to retest the zone it just broke out from. So it's you want to know more about breakouts and fake out, how not to enter a trade if you fix out. All you gotta do is to enter hit me up on my numbers in the description. I'm going to teach you about the last keys theory and how to enter a trade that after the breakout and won't be a fake out. So right now we take the sniper from the 15 minutes. How do we see that? So what happens right now is not yet a confirmed trade yet, but it's about to get confirmed. So right here we see the 4 hours has already broken. So now the retest, we see like we must see a 15 minutes double bottom also, just like the pattern double bottom. So we must also see a 15 minutes double bottom. Right here we see that price has hit here once, went back up with a bullish candle. So we must also, so we can see right here, and we can see that right now, yeah, the market is live right now. So we can see that what's happening. We see that price hit here, went in initially to create our stop loss region. Now price has hit, retested, went back up, came back to hit again, retesting. Now this is what's going to happen. Price is going to go up, stop here to complete the double bottom, then to come back in the 15 minutes, retest the neckline and start shooting up. That's how it's gonna go, bro. So if you're scared or you just really want to bag out some cash and just fuck out, so this is what you do. You just quickly bag out your cash up to this region, up to $1,800 or $1,812. So that's where you be bagging out from. So you don't just slide into the trade that way. So what you do actually is this: you wait for the confirmation, and I'm gonna label it out here for you guys to understand, you know. So this is it. So let's call this out. This is the confirmation before we're gonna take the trade. That's the confirmation we're gonna see. So the confirm the entry. So right here we'll be confirming the entry. So with that, then yes, it's a green card to buy. And yes, once I confirm the entry, I'll also show you guys how the output was. So stay blessed, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Bless. I want you guys to understand this, that those two trades at the end of the day, gold fucked up, GBP, AUD clicked. So the point about this is that, guys, you can see that GBP odd clicked, white, gold fucked up. So imagine I didn't apply risk management. We all know that gold has mad ass peaks, and yeah, I would be losing majority of my capital. But fuck that, I applied risk management, and yeah, I gained double on the GBP AUD, why gold fucked up. So the basics of this forex actually is just risk management. Stay tuned while I take you guys up. All you gotta do is like, share, subscribe. Put your comments in the comment section. You want to know more about forex, all you gotta do is slide into my DM. You know, I'll put my number in the description. Hit me up on whatever, you know, forex and the others. So guys, once you apply risk management in your trades in forex, imagine those were 2 trades. On the gold trade, I had like a stop loss of over like 300 to 500 pips. Why on the GBP AUD I had a stop loss of like around 500 pips, and I was gaining over 1,000 pips. So if I lost 300 pips to gain 1,000 pips, bro, you can imagine that's a mad ass. Even if I lost 500 pips to gain 1,000 pips, that's like minor. That's $500 in the bag, bro. So you get the basics about this whole forex thing is just risk management. And I want to tell you guys, once you apply risk management in your trading, fuck your strategy. You have to have a trusted strategy. But once you apply risk management in forex, damn, it's gonna be a walkover for you. I tell you guys, all you gotta do is apply risk management and you go work it over. Stay blessed, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Peace.